Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Morning, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
How are you today, guys?
I'm good, Miss. How about you, Miss?
I'm
How's you,
good.
Miss?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. All right, did you have something exciting you did this week? And you want to share for the class, to the class?
I don't have anything fun because
I don't have Miss because PPKM, Miss.
Oh,
yes, Miss.
yes, because PPKM we need to stay at home, yeah.
Yes,
And then
Miss.
there's nothing interesting to happen. All right, so before we start the class today, let me check the attendance first, yeah. So Yevona is here, and Ruth is here, and then Fadila is here. All right. Okay, so let's start the class. Let me share the screen. But before that, let us pray for this class today first. Who want to lead the prayer for this class? Yevona, maybe?
Okay, Miss. Okay, class. Before we start our activity, let's pray together. Miss.
All right. Thank you, Yevon. Okay, let me share my screen first, yeah. My PPT. All right. Okay, so welcome to the class. Welcome to my class today. So before we start the class, I want you to see this animal here. Do you know what animal is this? This cutie animal? Yavan, do you know the answer? What animal is this? It's an otter, yeah? Berang-berang in Indonesia. Okay, so do you know where does this otter usually live? I mean, its habitat?
In the sea, Miss.
All right, at water. And then what do they eat? What are they?
Fish.
Fish?
I think fish.
Okay.
Yes,
So have you ever read a text about this animal?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. And can you guess what type of text can be to describe this animal? Have you ever seen?
Description text, maybe.
Description text, Ruth? All right. And then Yevon, what's your answer?
I think report text can be, Miss.
Okay. Yevon's answer is report text and Ruth's answer is descriptive text. Okay, interesting. Now let's take a look at this two texts. Okay, based on these two texts, okay, what do you think the difference between them?
I think text 1 describe author in general, Miss.
Great, yes. And then?
And text 2 in specific.
Good job. Yes, that's actually the answer. The text 1 explain authors in general description, while text 2 describe author in specific, yeah, in specific detail as a pet. And now, can you guess what the name of the text 1 is?
Report text, Miss.
Yes, exactly. Text 1 is report text, and text 2 is
Descriptive.
descriptive text. Great job. But today, our material will be about report text. All right, so report text, based on what we see in the example of text 1. Yeah, the report text is a types of text in English that describe the details of an object, and the details of the text are the scientific details. And then, what is the report text written for? The purpose of report text is to present information about something in general. So the information contained in the report text is something in general. All right, now let's take a look at this example of report text about cats. Hold on. This one. Okay, so anybody want to read this text for the class? I think 2 students can read this text. Yefona maybe can be the first. Read the first paragraph.
Cats. Cats also called the domestic cat or house cat, with its scientific name Felis silvestris catus or Felis catus, is a type of carnivorous mammal of the family Felidae. The word cat generally refers to a cat that has been tamed, but can also refer to the big cats, such as the lion and tiger.
All right. And then the next one,
Me or other, miss?
the others, please. Maybe Ruth
Me,
can. Oh, Fadila, great. You can read from the word cats until developed in cats.
okay, Miss.
Yes.
Cats are considered as a perfect carnivore with teeth and particular digestive tract. The first premolar and molar teeth form a pair of fangs on each side of the mouth that works effectively as a pair of scissors to tear the meat. Although these features also exist in the can Candy or dog. But these traits are better developed in cats.
All right. And the last one, maybe Ruth can continue until finish all the paragraph.
Sorry, Miss. In my screen, when the text still lagging, so I don't know the last words.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
From
Just
unlike.
read.
All right. Unlike other carnivores, yeah, Miss.
Yes.
Unlike other carnivores, cats eat almost non-vegetable substance. Bears and dogs sometimes eat berries, fruits, or honey as a supplement, while cats only eat meat, usually freshly killed prey. In captivity, cats cannot adapt to a vegetarian diet because they cannot synthesize all the amino acids they need from plant material. It is in contrast with domesticated dogs, which commonly are fed a mixture of meat and vegetable, and sometimes it can adapt to a completely vegetarian meal.
Great. Thank you all. Okay, so based on this text, if you notice, how many parts do you think this report text is divided to? How many parts based on this text? I think you can see it. It's divided to,
To
yes, exactly, two parts.
Paragraphs.
two paragraphs in two parts. Okay, so in the first paragraph, what information in it? What kinds of
orientation?
Yes, the general, yeah, the general information. And then in the second paragraph, what information contained in the second paragraph?
Support paragraph.
Yes, supporting paragraph with more description, yeah. Okay, so that's the generic structure of report text, basically. It divided into two parts. The first one is the general classification, which contain the general description, yeah, of cats. And then the next one is description. The continuation of the general classification, which describes all the parts. This is the definition. So the general classification state the classification of general aspect of thing, either animal, public place, plants, etc., which will be described in general. And the description describes the characteristics of the object, which will be discussed in detail. And the characteristics in this case can be the form, the parts, the qualities, behavior, etc. All right. Okay, so let's watch a video, yeah.
First slide.
Okay,
See the beautiful flowers. Let's look
Has it
at the
appeared on your
first
screen?
slide. See the beautiful flowers with the big
Yes, Miss.
All right.
yellow heads? They are commonly known as sunflowers. The botanical name for the sunflower is helianthus. The Greek word helios means sun, and anthos means flower. It is one of the flowers from the famous Asteraceae species. Sunflowers originated in the Americas, and they were grown to use the seeds for food. Sunflowers have a large flower head that can be up to 30 centimeters wide. The petals are bright yellow, although some varieties are orange or red. The stem is rough and hairy, while the leaves are large and rough. Sunflowers can grow up to 3 meters tall. They need full sunlight to grow well. They grow best in fertile, wet, well-drained soil with a lot of mulch. Sunflowers are generally hardy plants. It's important that they are not overwatered.
All right. So, based on the video, what you can get from the video? What does the video tell us about? Anyone know? What is the text about in the video?
Report text about sunflower, Miss.
Yes, exactly. About report text about sunflower. And then if you notice, what tenses is used in the text in the video? What types of tenses? Like
present tense, Miss?
Yes, present tense. So report text in the video use present tense. Exactly. So the language features used in a report text is simple present tense, and then also use general nouns, action verbs, and also technical terms. All right, so we have learned about the generic structure and also the language features. Do you have any questions about that two terms that we have learned?
Yes.
About language features and generic structure. Right, if there's no question, let's read this text about honeybee. You can read by yourself, yeah? I'll give you 5 minutes. Okay, so in this text, can you find the language features that contain in this text, like the simple present tense, the action verbs, and also the general nouns?
Yes, Miss. I found present tense.
Where is it, Yefon?
Wait. Mana ya? They are insects and all of them belong to the genus Apis. Am I right, Miss?
They are insects, yes. It's present, they are. And then?
Species of bees who have the ability to produce honey and be waxsmiths.
Yes. Who have the ability, have is present tense, great. Anything else? Ruth, maybe you
Miss,
can find the action verbs or the general nouns.
Miss, does fertilize include two technical terms?
Which one, Yefon?
In second paragraph in the last sentence. The drones have one job only, and that is to fertilize.
Yes,
That
fertilize, yes. That's technical terms.
technical.
Great job,
Okay.
Yefon.
Thank you, Miss.
All right, so you already find some present tense contained in this text. And then what is this text basically tell us about? It's about
honeybee.
honeybee. And what information can you get? Please tell me one information at least, each of you.
The size, Miss.
What is it?
The size of honeybee in Indonesia is 39 millimeters, Miss.
Okay.
In the last paragraph, Miss.
All right. Good, Ruth. And the next one?
Western honeybee is one of the most famous honeybee myths.
All right. From which paragraph?
The first paragraph in the last sentence. Miss.
Yes, great. Great, Fadila. Thank you. Yefon, have you found? Okay.
Female honeybee grow larger than other honeybee, Miss.
Okay,
In
from which second paragraph
in third sentence. Yes.
Okay, this side. Great job. Okay. Okay, now I have a short report text here, and let's play a true or false game. Okay, you can read this short text first. Pay attention on the details. All right, have you done?
Miss, can you access my other account?
All right.
Meeting.
Have you done? All right. Okay, so let's jump to the question, yeah. The first question. Tsunami can only happen in Japan. True or false?
False,
False,
miss.
miss.
False. Okay, everyone's answer is false. Let's check. All right, it's false. And then the next question. Tsunami is caused by undersea earthquake or landslides.
True, miss.
True, miss.
True or false?
I
True,
think it's
miss.
True. Okay.
True, miss.
Everyone's answer is true, yeah? Let's check. All right, it's true. And then the next one. The ring of fire is the area of volcanoes and seismic activities. True or false?
True.
True?
True, miss.
True, miss.
true, miss.
Really? True? Let's see the answer. Yes, it's true. And then the next one. The speed of the wave can be as fast as a jet plane.
True, miss.
True or
True,
false?
miss.
True?
True.
True. All right, it's true. And then tsunamis are not very high. True or false?
False.
False, miss.
False. I think it
False.
is false. Yes, it's false. The last one. Tsunami only occur in Asia.
False.
Really? Are you sure?
If I'm not mistaken, false, miss.
Let's see the answer. All right, it's false. Great job. Okay, now after all the materials that we have learned, all the theory, now let's play a game, yeah, to refresh our meeting today. Can you join this link? Just
Yes, miss.
type this link on your browser. All right, let me stop the screen share first.
Miss.
Okay, now if you are already on the link, you can enter this code.
Miss,
Yes.
on my screen, the appearance of the games not like this, miss.
You can type the code, enter a code, I think.
Miss. Like that, miss.
Yes, Yevon, like that. And then you can type the code here. 31.
Enter a join code, miss.
Yes.
3105.
I think Dila is
Can I
here.
start?
3105.
Dila is here. Yevon is here.
Gak kelihatan, miss.
Really?
314564.
You already typed the code, Ruth? Nah, Ruth is here. All right, let's start the game, yeah? You just need to answer the question that appear on the game, on the board of the game. All right, let's start. Okay, let's see who's gonna be the winner. Yevon. Oh, Ruth is leading the game. Come on. Okay, Yevon is boosting to the top. Ruth as well. Come on, Dila. Okay, Yevon is boosting again to the top. Come on, Dila and Ruth. Great job, Yevon.
Wow. Am I done, Miss?
Have you done? I think you haven't done yet.
Oh,
You still have 3 more questions, I think.
yes, Miss.
Come on, come on, come on. All right. Come on. Have you done?
Done, Miss.
Okay, Yevon is done. We'll wait for Ruth and Dila.
What can I get?
And let's see who's the winner. I think Ruth is done as well, yeah?
Miss, what the present of the quiz?
I'll give you later on.
Applause.
I'll give you applause. Okay, I think all of you has done. Let's see the winner. The winner is Yevon. Yay! Congratulations, Yevon. Great job, Yevon. That's great.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you, guys. Thank you,
Okay.
my mom, my dad.
Okay, let's see. I think Dila made mistakes here. Oh, Yevon, all answers correct. Great. Okay, let's see the questions. What questions? The first one. The definition of report text is, what's the answer?
The text that describe the way things are.
This one. Yes, correct. Okay, and then the next one, the second one. The social function of report text is
Presenting
giving information about something in details.
in details. Great. And then the third one, the generic structure of report text is
General classification,
general classification and description. All right. All correct, yeah. And then the part of report text which introduce the object to describe is
description.
The general classification. I think
Sorry.
general classification, great. And then the example of present tense sentence. It's easy, yeah?
Yes,
It's the first one. The coronavirus spreads all over the world. And then the language features of report text are
present tense, scientific facts, and general noun.
yes, scientific
Scientific facts, same with technical nouns
technical
or
terms. Yes, technical terms. It's the same. And then the difference between report text and descriptive text. We learned this.
report talk about general.
Yes.
Description talk
About
about
specific. Great. And then the detailed information about objects of report text is found in
Description.
In the description. Great job, guys. Thank you. Okay. Now it's time for us to exercise assignments. Okay, so your assignment is okay, so before we go into the assignment, I want you to pick from this 5 mystery book. I want you to pick the number. I think I can give privilege to Yevon, who is the winner from the previous game, to pick your mystery book from number 1 to 5.
I choose 5, miss, because the month when I born.
Okay,
5, miss.
5. Choose Yevon, pick 5. Okay, so keep in your mind the number. Now you can pick the number for your friends as well. Yevon.
I choose 2 for Dila
Okay, Dila is 2.
and Ruth 1.
Ruth is 1. Okay, 1
Yes.
Ruth, 2 Dila, and 5 Yevon. Great.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see the result. Time to reveal. The first one is koala. Ruth is koala. Okay, the second one, Jasmine. Dila is Jasmine. The third and the fourth, nobody. And then Yevon, 5 is Bali. Okay, so these terms will be your theme to construct your own report text. Okay, so your assignment is write a simple report text based on the theme that Yevon have choose for you before. Okay, so you remember
Okay.
remember your parts.
Yes.
Dila, what is your term?
Jasmine, miss.
Yes, about Jasmine. Ruth,
Koala, miss.
koala, and then Yevon.
Bali, miss.
Okay. Okay, so you can search or Google the information that you need for your report text. And then, but remember, don't copy paste, yeah? Don't copy paste, don't plagiarize. You can just use the information from the internet, but don't copy paste it. And you have 10 minutes to write a simple report text based on the information that you get from the internet. Just make it simple. No need to be a long paragraph. Okay. At least it contains 5 information, at least. Okay, your time starts from now. Okay, have you done?
Not yet, miss.
I'm done, miss.
Okay. Okay, I think while waiting for others, we can hear from Yevon. Yevon, are you done?
Yes, miss.
Yes, okay, please read your results, read your
Okay,
work
miss.
performed to your class.
Just 5 information from the teams, right, miss?
Yes, Yevon.
Okay.
You
Okay, miss. The first information about Bali is well known by many names. The Island of Gods, Thousand Temple Island, and the Island of Paradise. And Bali has outstanding natural beauty, like volcano that looks close and big, endless green paddy field which give a sense of peace and tranquility, as well as grand in Balinese beach, sand, and the beauty of the sea, which are so mesmerizing. Next one, Bali also have dramatic dance. Uh, um, Miss, I forgot.
All right.
I forgot. Miss. Okay. I'm sorry, Miss. I forgot.
Okay.
I
All
just
right. It's
have
okay.
two information about Bali. Bali also have dramatic dance like kecak, and the food also like ayam betutu. Yes, Miss.
All
That's it.
right. Good
I
job.
forgot the other one.
Thank you, Yvonne. The
Yes,
next
Miss.
one, Ruth, maybe.
All right, Miss. I will read mine. Um, the koala is an Australian tree-dwelling marsupial mammal that has large, hairy ears, thick gray fur, sharp claws for climbing, and no tail, and feeds on eucalyptus leaves. They sleep for up to 19 hours a day, and there are only 2,000 to 8,000 of these incredibly cute animals remaining. The koala has a body length of 60 until 85 centimeter and weighs 4 until 15 kilograms. Its feathers color ranges from silver gray to chocolate brown. Koalas have thick, soft fur. Their ears have long, white hairs on the tips. They have a large, dark, leathery nose and beady eyes. They have a small mouth that can open very wide. They have two thumbs on their front paws and sharp curved claws on all of their toes. The second and third toes on the hind foot are joined together and have raw pads. They are used for grooming and climbing. The koala can run as fast as a rabbit.
Great job,
That's
Ruth.
all, Miss.
That's a great report text. Thank you, Ruth. The last one, we have Fadila.
All right, Miss. Jasmine is an evergreen semi-vining shrub native to tropical areas of Southeast Asia, Africa, and Australia. The plants are usually up to 3 meters high and 2 meters wide. Jasmine is a climbing vine with oval, shiny leaves and tubular, waxy white flowers. It has small white star-shaped flowers.
All right.
All right, Miss.
All right, that's all. Thank you, Fadila. Great job. Okay, guys, you have create a great report text. Okay, and we also have learned a lot of things for today, actually. We have learned about the generic structure, and then what again? The language features, about report text, and we also have learned about oral and also written report text. Okay, I think that's all for today's meeting. Thank you so much for joining my class, and I'll see you in the next meeting.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you so much.